Hello, I'm Prashant and today we'll be understanding smart beta and different factor investing methods. So, smart beta is a hybrid investment approach that blends the passive investment method with investing like the index fund with active strategies such as factor selection. Now, unlike traditional index fund investment, smart beta doesn't just rely on stock weight or the size alone. Instead, they follow factors like value, momentum, or quality of the stocks. So, factor investing, like it is the strategy where we select a stock based on the specific attributes or the factors that explain their performance. Now, the common factors that we use for the smart beta strategies are value, where we first find the underrated or undervalued stock, low P ratio, low P by V ratio, and assume mean reversion. That is, the cheap stock will eventually outperform. Now, momentum, we will see that we buy stocks with strong recent performance, the strong 6 month or 12-month performance. We can see quality of the stock where we focus on high ROE and low debt or stable earnings throughout. Now we can also prefer the low volatility stock where the stock does not move up and down a lot, like the stock price range is within the limited limits, the fluctuation is to the minimum, and this aims to reduce the maximum drawdown from the highest peak. Now the disadvantages or the caveats of the smart beta is that firstly the factors don't outperform all the time, usually not in the sideways market, and also there can be overcrowding which may dilute the alpha if too many funds follow the same strategy. Also, we need a lot of testing and back testing before implementation in order to make sure that our strategy works. In short, that the smart beta investing is a type of investing where we mix the value with the quality and we use the low volatility strategies in order to earn higher profits. Thank you.